To the boat. Hello, sir. Yes. Hola amigos, this is another beautiful day. We're staying this time at Playa Luxury Cayo Guillermo. Today we are going to a catamaran tour from Cayo Coco Marina. Come with us. We just arrived at Cayo Coco Marina and Mary will explain to me what to expect from this tour.
So here we're gonna take the boat. This is Marina Gaviota, and we take a boat. We go outside in the ocean. We're gonna visit a really beautiful coral reef, and we will have free time. We're gonna go to a sandbar, and they say it's really, really beautiful.
Let's just do it. Going to the boat. Hello, sir. Yes.
So this is our captain today. His name is Julio, and he's gonna explain us everything.
Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Julio. I'm gonna be your skipper today. The name of this boat, Neptuno. It's a beautiful boat. It was made in France times ago. This guy is the most important person today. Frances, he's gonna be the cook to you today. It's very important to pray to him because it's the first time Frances cooking. I'm so sorry.
Let's go, Captain. So this is like a private tour. So you go with a few people and you go to a sandbar when you have some beach time. You can be by your own, see some fish, go snorkeling in the sandbar. If you're lucky enough, you get to see sharks, but you're gonna be okay, no worries.
And I just want to say that Danny, the cameraman, he put his life jacket. He jumped into the water with the sharks. Oh my gosh, I was so scared about him. I said, I'm with no husband anymore. But it didn't happen. Unfortunately, he came back. We also danced. We had lots of good music. And it was so cool because the boat is just for you guys. It's a private tour.
And it's on board launch, so you don't have to go anywhere. You spend all day in the boat.
So what you doing, guys?
We just cooked. It was really hard job. I dived to get and catch the lobster. Then I cooked it, and it was really good. Look, and then all the mussels. So
¿Quién cocinó hoy?
we just.
Today,
¿Quién cocinó?
no, me.
I did. Shit, And there you go. We have the best chef here who prepared lobster and also the mussels. And we have a lot of different kind of food. What is this, chef?
Chicken, fish,
Okay, and
rice.
rice. And we also have some snack. But yeah, that looks amazing. I love the way it looks and I can't wait to try it.
already to the Dolphin Center. So here's where we say goodbye to the crew. So Ramses and Julio, thank you for this beautiful day, okay?
I also want to say thank you so much, guys. Everything was so good. The ride was so smooth. The captain, thank you so much, Captain.
Thank you for coming, my friends.
Yes, and Ramses, thank you so much for the food. Like, he's the best chef on the boat. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
So now we are gonna do the interaction, which is a program of 15 minutes with the dolphin where you can touch it, you can have a kiss with the dolphin, and you can do some activities with them. So they have only 2 dolphins here. They live in semi-captivity, so that means they live in their natural environment and they are really well treated here.
It was an amazing feel to actually touch these animals and to see like how they're so loving. And thank you so much, Mary, for doing all of this for us. It was an amazing experience, right?
You can book it in the Playa Luxury Hotel through your rep, and I highly recommend you guys not to miss this opportunity because this is a once in a lifetime, right? So you should do it.